Hi friends, good morning. We have started coordination compound chapter and today we are going to discuss very most important topic related to coordination compound. Myself Veji sir, I welcome all of you from Sambej school. So today we are going to discuss about what is double salt and what is difference between complex compound. When double salt is to be said and when complex compound or coordination compound is said, we are going to discuss with proper example. These examples are not given in your textbook, but concept must be cleared if you have learned with proper example. So what is double salt? Simply, according to law of combination, two or more salt combine chemically together and form solution or crystals, and if identical property of each salt is obtained, identical property of each salt is obtained, then it is double salt. If identical property is lost, a new type of property is obtained, then it is complex compound or it is coordination compound. So we will have proper example that with help of that example we will clear difference between double salt and complex compound or coordination compound. So we are having example and you have to remember that example. So examples are what? So first is FeOS. FeOS. FeOS means what? FeSO4 plus Al2SO4 thrice plus 24H2O. This is alum. FeOS. Fe means ferrous sulfate, A means aluminium sulfate, and S means sulfate. And we are having crystals of FeOS means FeSO4 into Al2SO4 thrice into 24H2O. This is the example of double salt. How can we prove? This is the, K2SO4, not FeSO4. K2SO4, Al2SO4 and 24H2O. This is the example of potassium alum, or it is example of double salt. How can we identify that its identical property is, this is the salt number 1 and this is the salt number 2 and product is double salt. Crystals of potassium alum is double salt. How can we identify that the identical property is present in this double salt? So when we react with picric acid, these crystals, then we are having yellow precipitates. Yellow precipitates are available, then it is the sign of potassium. Picric acid means P, yellow is P and potassium is P in Gujarati. Picric acid means P. Yellow means pilo. In Gujarati it is to be said pilo means P. And potassium is obtained, then it is P. So you can remember 3P in Gujarati. When it makes dilute, crystals are dilute in picric acid, if we are getting yellow precipitates, then it is the presence of potassium ion. It means in this double salt, potassium has not lost its identical property. When we dilute these crystals to NaOH, and gum-like gelatinous precipitates available, then it is the presence of aluminum ion. And if we make the qualitative test with BaCl2, and we are having precipitates of white precipitates available, then it is the presence of sulfate ion. So it is clear now that the two or more salt, according to law of combination, chemically combine with each other and form double salt. If it is double salt, then identical property by qualitative test will obtain. Then it proves that it is the example of double salt. So now it is clear what is double salt. You are given example of carnallite. I am giving same example of carnallite and another example ferrous ammonium sulfate. So this is clear. Another two example according to your book, then ferrous sulfate plus ammonium sulfate, NH4 twice into SO4 plus 6H2O. Then we are having the double salt FeSO4 into NH4 twice into SO4 into 6H2O. If we are having the qualitative test of this double salt, we are having the presence of ferrous ion, sulfate ion and ammonium ion. If qualitative test is to be done. Same way we are having the example of carnallite. Then the formula of carnallite is K2KCl MgCl2 plus 6H2O. Then it will be combined chemical together. We are having the crystals of KCl plus MgCl2 into MgCl2 into 6H2O. This is the formula of crystals of carnallite. So qualitative test is to be done, and identical property of each ion is obtained, then it is to be said double salt. So we have cleared proper example of double salt. Now we are going to discuss about what is the complex compound or how coordination compound is formed. So now it is clear. Ready? Now what is complex compound? PPP, picric acid, yellow precipitates. Then it is the presence of potassium. If with this crystal is get qualitative test with NaOH, we are getting gum like gelatinous, then it is the presence of aluminum ion. And if we are having qualitative test with BaCl2, then white precipitates available, then it is sulfate. White means सफेद, અને sulfate means सफेद means sulfate, सफेद sulfate, you will get. So it is little bit trick to remember which type of precipitates are available with which compound qualitative test is done. Thank you. Now next topic.